Greetings citizens of the world, we are anonymous, just kidding. This is not anonymous, this is Rahul's voice assistant for YouTube videos. You can call me as no bullshit spoken engine. In this video you will learn to install macOS in any Linux machine with any system specifications. You can even do this in a Linux virtual machine. Here I will be using Ubuntu version 20.04. Make sure that you have enabled virtualization in BIOS of your system. This whole installation is going to take nearly 40 GB space for virtual hard disks and less than 6 GB internet for downloading the Mac OS. The installation steps are very simple and easy to do. Now let's dive into the video. Now I will start my virtual machine which is currently on my server. This will take some time to boot. I will speed it up for you. Finally it booted up. Now let me log into my Linux machine. The one and only thing we need here is the Linux terminal. First of all, fire it up and install Snap Package Manager if you haven't installed it yet. Use sudo apt install snapd command to install the Snap Package Manager. You could see here that I have already installed Snap Package Manager. The one and only magic command that is used to install macOS in our machine is this, sudo snap install Sasumi. What is Sasumi? Sasumi is an automated tool-like thing that sets up macOS in our Linux machine automatically. Sasumi is going to take nearly like 500 MB internet to completely download and install the required things for us. Here it takes some time to install depending upon your internet speed and system specs. But how does this work? Sasumi creates a macOS virtual machine for us and installs a macOS recovery system on it. Now here we are installing macOS via recovery by tricking the Apple servers to download the whole OS and installing it. Actually this is illegal to do, and this is piracy. Now we have successfully installed Sasumi in our Linux machine. Let's start it up by running the command Sasumi in the terminal. As I said before, it downloads and sets up macOS base system. So, for that to download and install it takes time. And again, this is also depends upon your system specs. Just wait till it complete its work and start up the macOS base system for us. As expected, we got a new window of our macOS virtual machine. Now, click on the newly opened window and just press enter. If your new macOS window is too big, then resize it by dragging the corners. To ungrab our mouse, to use our Linux machine, press Ctrl+Alt+G. Now just press enter. The macOS will boot up now. Wait for few minutes. Because it is going to take some time to boot up completely. It's time to do the macOS installation. Here we are going to do partition of disks. I have set 90 GB for virtual hard disk. So that's why mine is 90 GB. Just follow me and complete your macOS installation. Remember that you can find thousands of macOS installation from recovery. You can check out others' videos if you want. Now it's time to do the whole macOS installation. Just click on Reinstall macOS and follow me along. Here you need to select the disk that you partitioned before to install macOS. Now wait for a long time till the macOS download and install. This depends on your PC specs and your internet speed. Now we need to set up our newly installed macOS system. This setup is very simple and straightforward. This same setup is what you do if you buy a MacBook or an iMac from Apple officially. So as I said earlier, the macOS setup videos were available on YouTube in large number. You can follow me here, or you can see any other video and follow the same macOS initial setup. We could see that macOS installation is successful. That's pretty much for this video. Drop a like and hit subscribe for more videos if you found this video helpful. See you in the next video. Peace.